Come on. What's going on?
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron Law 20 nautical miles, waters from Intercoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over East Cameron 81 or 31 nautical miles southwest of White Lake, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Oh, here it is.
Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats.
My mouse is moving on its own.
Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include East Cameron 81, East Cameron 33, East Cameron 47, East Cameron 46, and East Cameron 71. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Flood watch in effect through the